What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're stopping in, that means you're looking for more epic ways to protect your device. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make your own superhero phone cases. This DIY takes a simple glue gun to create these awesome 3D phone cases. All the items you need will be listed below. Be sure to check out my first DIY phone cases. Links can be found in the description box and at the end of this video. Okay guys, I think we're all set. Go ahead and grab that glue gun and let's get started.
We got a summer of the kind of movie love, all in for some more of anything that comes along. Oh, forever high above, the kind of feeling of letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and night swings, never keeping track of time. Sunny skin driving and all I can breathe is you, so I jump in, only for this ride. Fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and night swings, never keeping track of time. Sunny skin driving and all I can breathe is you, so I jump in, only for this ride. Clear blue eyes, jumping, only for this ride. So
you a glue gun to create something so cool. Don't forget to lock everything in with a few coats of Mod Podge or a clear sealant. If you like this DIY, now is a great time to subscribe. I have many more glue gun hacks and superhero inspired DIYs coming your way. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the notification bell so YouTube can alert you when I upload my next video. Don't forget to comment below to let me know what you thought of this video. Alright, that'll do it for this one. I'm heading out, but I'll catch you on the next one.